Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox the DJI Mini 4 Pro and take it for a little spin and see how it performs. I just got this box today and I'm going to open the box and see what it has there, and we'll check everything out and we'll take it for a spin around the area. Here is the box and here is the bag that came with it. This is the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More package. And it comes just like this in the bag that's included. And this is the wire charger and the extra propellers, manual charger wire. This is a screwdriver. And here is the RC2 controller, which is great and much easier to use than your phone. So you don't have to get interrupted with any phone calls or any messages during your test flight or flight. Here is the charger that takes up to 3 batteries to charge at one time, one after the other, of course. And here is the drone itself, comes in a bag like this. And here is SD card port and charger, and the camera protector cover, and also here is the propellers wraparound protector, and it just opens just like the Mini 3 Pro. Have to be gentle with that. Okay, and same way it does turn on, that just like the Mini 3 Pro. The controller here is little bit more advanced than the one before for the Mini 3 Pro, and really the LCD and picture or video, it looks much better. Here we are going for the first flight to test it out, and you can see here, I do believe myself, and that's my opinion, it does look much better as far as video and pictures, more clear than the Mini 3 Pro, and I was really amazed with the results of the video and the pictures. You will see that yourself, that there is a slight difference, and this is without any filters or anything on the top of the lens here. So you can judge yourself if you compare it with the Mini 3 Pro. But I was really happy with this drone, and I do see the difference between this one and the one before. So I hope this video helps you, or if you did get any benefit out of that, or you like the video, please give it thumbs up and like, and I'll see you at the next video. Thanks for watching.